Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize credit cards for Instacart checkout detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize credit cards for Instacart checkout, first, open the Instacart app on your device. Next, log into your Instacart account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. In the menu, select your account to access your account settings. Scroll down and find the option labeled Payment Methods. Tap on Payment Methods to review your current payment options. Here, you will see any existing credit cards linked to your account. If you want to add a new credit card, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that the name on the card matches the name on your account. Confirm the details, and then tap Save to store your new payment method. If you prefer to use an existing card, select the card you wish to authorize for checkout. Make sure the card is valid and has sufficient credit available. Once you have selected or added the correct card, proceed to your shopping cart. Review your items, and then tap on Checkout to move forward. On the checkout page, select your delivery time and any other preferences. You will be prompted to confirm your payment method before finalizing the order. Check to ensure the correct credit card is displayed. If everything looks good, tap on Place Order to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification once your order has been processed. That's how you authorize credit cards for Instacart checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.